Many small and mid-sized companies lose hundreds of hours every month to manual repetitive work. Reports that need to be assembled from multiple sources, data that has to be checked line by line, onboarding steps that repeat over and over. It's slow, tiring, and it drains attention from work that actually grows the business. These numbers aren't theoretical, they show up in almost every business I've seen. The encouraging part is many of these tasks don't have to be done manually anymore. Reports can be created and sent automatically. Data can be pulled from the systems you already use, CRM, analytics tools, accounting software, without anyone copying and pasting. Let's take a universal example: expense management. Here's how it usually works. Someone takes a photo of a receipt. Then someone else opens a spreadsheet and types what's on that receipt: vendor, total, VAT, date. It's slow, it's easy to make mistakes, and it happens every week. Simple automation only moves the task around, for example, forwarding invoices to a special email or folder. The data entry still lands back on a human. AI recognition handles the heavier part. It reads the receipt or invoice and extracts all important fields automatically. Vendor name, date, total, tax, even line items. This isn't guesswork, it's trained to understand documents with thousands of variations. Recognition tools are strong when the work is visual and repetitive. They don't make decisions and don't run a process. They simply provide clean, reliable data. A great rule of thumb: if a task repeats and follows a predictable pattern, it's a strong candidate for automation. If your team describes it with phrases like "copy this here, look up that field," or "we do this the same way every time," there is almost always potential for automation. So far, we've been in the world of simple automation and AI recognition, but these are only the first two layers. I want to show the edges of each class of tools. Each one fits a different type of work. Basic automations handle rule-based tasks. Recognition and language models handle understanding. And agents take on complex goals. What makes agents different is how they work. They don't follow one rigid sequence. They plan, they choose tools, they interact with CRMs, spreadsheets, browsers, APIs, whatever the task requires. And they adjust their actions based on what they find along the way. In practice, this lets them handle tasks like research, qualification, document processing, data collection, and operational coordination. The kind of work that usually requires a knowledgeable employee. But agents struggle when they don't have access to company-specific knowledge, or your documentation is outdated. This brings us to the most valuable part of modern AI systems, giving them access to your company's actual knowledge. RAG systems let your AI search through your documents, contracts, manuals, SOPs, support tickets, and give precise answers based on that information. These aren't generic answers. RAG uses your real documents. It becomes a fast, reliable way to access knowledge that would normally take hours to gather. Put together, automation removes manual steps, recognition removes typing, agents coordinate processes, and RAG provides accurate knowledge. Combined, these tools reduce operational cost and free up your team's attention for real work. If you are not sure where to begin, I can help identify effective automation points in your business and build everything described here, from simple automations to full agent workflows. Steps 1 and 2 require no tools and no spending, just clarity about your workflows. My email is in the description. In the next videos, we'll take each tool class and explore it in depth. How it works, what it's good for, where it breaks, and what a real deployment looks like. This is rare material for commercial projects, and I think it will be useful whether you are a founder or an operations lead. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.